Hello everyone, I am James and today let's see how to solve the problem of this LG 5.5 kg direct drive front load washing machine that keeps moving here and there while spinning. So many of the advertisements you might have seen that they show you the washing machine is vibrating and moving here and there, and they ask you to fix this stand or a rubber base to the foot of the washing machine, but do not do that. If you want, you can use this one. This, instead of the square stand, you can use these, but they will not solve the actual problem inside the washing machine. What happens is, if you use these bases, shocks or cushions or something like that, foots, what happens is the inside shocks which have gone bad, they will go on wearing out more, and as the drum keeps moving too much left and right, up and down, so it may cause more harm to the washing machine tub or the drum. So to avoid that, better replace the shocks and then use the foots as shown, which are shown in the advertisements. So let's continue and fix the shocks on this LG machine. I have already removed this shock from the washing machine. Only one I have removed, the other one I will show you how to remove and how to install both the new shock absorbers. As you can see, how to make out whether it is faulty. It comes out easily. See, just pull it, it comes out easily, and also it has a play, it shakes like this. It should not be, and there is rusted, it has already rusted. So when you pull it, it's very easily, the movement is very free. It should not be free. So this is the new one. It's exactly same size, and even the thickness, see, should be same. Now for this one, you see, when I pull it, I have to put more strength. It does not come easily. This is the new one. If your old shock absorber also, if it is very sticky, or if you need to put strength for removing it, then there is no need to replace it. But if these have belonged, the holes have belonged, then you have to replace it. Two new shocks on the washing machine. Let's continue. Here you see, this is the washing machine, and I have already removed the shock from the right side. Here you can see here. So let me show you how to fix it back. This is the new one. Take the new one. Just remember how it was placed earlier, in the same way. Here you can see this part is different and this one is different. That is, this bush can be removed from that side. So when you fix it in this way, so if you are fixing the stud, this is the stud. So if you are fixing the stud from the other side, then this should be placed that side. Now you see, place it in this way. Take the stud. So we need to tap the stud. The top one has come out. I'll fix it later. If this lock comes out here, that's enough. Here you see. Now fix the bush. Okay. Now this one out. Now take the stud for the top one. The hole should be seen through. Now we can fix the stud. If it is hard to fix from the other side, you can even fix it from here. Push it and it's locked. It's on. The other one, I'll show you how to remove. Here. Press the lock. This lock. Tap it gently, not with full strength. One is removed. So here also same thing. Need to be turned. You can see the lock here. Just press the lock. Just a minute. Camera. You can see the lock. This machine already, rats have gone inside and have damaged a lot of the cushioning here. So this is the other shock absorber. As you can see, this one is also, this is totally free from the other one. The other one was a bit sticky, but this one, it is totally gone bad. So this is the new one. We'll fix the new one now. Place it in this way. You can fix the studs either from this side or that side, whichever you feel convenient. I'll fix it from this side. Pull it, fix it in the groove upside. Okay, this way. Now let me fix this. See that the other side the lock is good. It should be like this. Both the shock absorber have been fixed. Now we will fix the back panel. These small foldings should be down. Now what we should do is put it in this way and fix it in the groove. Just see that the screws are fixed firmly, so that they won't make any noise. So that's all.